Okay, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make use of Google Lens to copy text from a hard copy document. With this app, you no longer need to worry about long hours of typing or having to pay a typist to type your documents for you. With just a snapshot, you will have your hard copy documents or soft copy documents saved as a Word document or a PDF directly into your phone. So, if this is what you are interested in, then let's dive right in. But for the records, my name is Ken, and this is the kind of stuff I share on this channel. First, you click the Google app on your phone. In the home page, you will see various options like solve homework, identify song, shop for products, search for photo. What we're going to is translate text. So you click on that. Now you take the hard copy of the document you want to copy or type, and then once you click on translate, it will highlight every text on the document. Then you can translate this to various languages. You can translate it to French. You can translate it to Igbo. There are various languages here that you can translate it to in order for you to reach a wider audience, or if you don't understand English, you put it in a particular language you understand. You see, there are various languages here. For the purpose of this video, I will leave it at English. So that is English to English. So now what we do is when it's highlighted this way, you click on the top there and drag, copy everything on the page, and then you copy. Once you copy it now, you can now take it to your notepad and keep, or you can take it to Google Docs and save it as a Word document. That way, you don't have to worry about typing or paying somebody to type for you, and you are doing it with an incredible lightning speed. Another way that this Google search app comes handy is in your social media. Let's head over to TikTok. Now you click on the search button here. Now you can type on whatever you want to search for, or you can click on what you may like there. Let's take, for example, e-commerce business tips. You click on it, then you click on those three dots there. And when you click on those three dots, you can click on filters. Now click on past 24 hours for date posted. Then click on apply. Now just scroll, and then when you see this order searched for, you screenshot that particular page. Once you screenshot it now, you share it to Google search app, and then you can now copy all these items that people have searched for. You copy all of them. See now that you can now paste it in your description when you are about to upload something that has to do with e-commerce business in your description. And you are doing this without even touching a pen or paper, and it just makes it very easy and fast for you. Alright guys, if you found this video useful, please like this video, and if you are new to this channel, please remember to subscribe so you could continue to get contents just like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.